Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G22, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to enter the gestures and tap on system navigation. And as you can see, currently we've got this 3-button navigation option applied. Of course, here we've got the animation, how it works. And in order to change it to the gesture navigation, just tap on this option. And as you can see, the buttons simply disappeared, and instead we've got this line which is responsible for particular gestures. As you can see right here, we've got also the animation, how the gestures work. What's more, we can tap on the settings icon, and we can customize the gestures. So here you've got the digital assistant. You can swipe to invoke the assistant. You can keep this option turned on or off. It's totally up to you. And the same situation with the sensitivity, which is connected with the back action, let's say. So it is divided between left edge and also a right edge. So we can set low, and as you can see, the area which is responsible for getting back is smaller, and by going to the right side we can set it high, and you saw that the area is a little bit bigger. So let me set high on both of the sides, and now I can show you actually how to use the gestures. So in order to get back to the previous page, to the previous menu, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center of our device, and as you can see, this arrow will appear. So after you will see the arrow, you can release the finger, and as you can see, we just go back to the system navigation option. So it doesn't really matter if you will do it from the right side or the left side, you can use both of them. And if you'd like to go back directly to the home page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up fastly, just like that, in the center of your device. And as you can see here, we've got the home page, and in order to enter the recents, we have to swipe our finger again, but this time we have to do it gently and hold it somewhere here in the center. And as you can see right here, we've got the recents. So actually this is it. This is how to set gestures navigation in your MOTOROLA Moto G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.